It is the increase or decrease of the total cost of a production run to make an additional unit. Letter A, cost of production. Letter B, total cost. Letter C, marginal cost. Or letter D, law of diminishing returns. What is your answer, guys? All right. Yung question kasi is increase or decrease of the total cost of production to make an additional unit. So the correct answer should be letter C, marginal cost. Di ba? Marginal ulit yung pinag-uusapan natin. Yung keyword is additional. Di ba? Mahilig kayo sa mga additional. Additional rice, additional na sahod, di ba? Additional time. Ma'am, time sa kulang pag time. O, additional, di ba? So, ang question na ito is another definition of marginal cost. So, ini-emphasize lang dito na ito yung nature ng cost as the cost of the next or additional unit. Okay? Yan yung keyword additional. Yung cost of production, pati na yung total cost, ay nagre-refer sila sa overall cost. Okay? Hindi yung cost of one more unit. Kasi di ba, cost of production. Wala namang sinabing additional dyan pati na rin sa total cost. So that is wrong. Yung law of diminishing returns na discuss ko niyan kanina, yung law of diminishing returns ay ini-explain dito why marginal cost eventually increases. Di ba? So that is what is law of diminishing returns is. So letter D is wrong. So the correct answer is letter C.